You've probably been using both teams to score and double chance individually but still not getting enough odds. In this video, I'll show you how to combine them to boost your odds and win big. So I'll be focusing on the Premier League and I'll be making one example using the following teams, which are Crystal Palace vs Chelsea. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on January 15, 2023, Chelsea did win the match 0-1. So the market of which we'll be using is the both teams to score. So here we're just gonna say yes, both teams should score. So here you can see that our market didn't work here, our market did not work. But with it on the next match, December 27, 2023, we can see that 3 goals are scored in total and both teams did score here. So which shows us that our market did work, guys. So maybe when the next match, February 12, 2024, we can see that both teams did score and our market did work, guys. I like it starting to work here. I like it did work. We'll be on the next match, September 1, 2024. You can see that both teams did score and our market did work. Both teams did score 1-1 and our market did work. Maybe in next match, January 4th, 2025, we can see that our market did work again because obviously both teams did score, guys. Both teams did score. Like, take a look. Chelsea did score 1 and the other team did score 1. So our market did work here. So guys, as we're analyzing, you can see that our market worked 4 times. Our market did 4 times. So this shows us that you have a high chance of winning or bet if you try to bet for this kind of market. Right now, I'll be moving on a double chance and we'll be making an example or using the following teams, which are Man City vs Wolves. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on January 22, 2023, Man City did win the match 3-0. So the method of which will be, the market of which will be focusing on is the double chance, of which will be saying Man City to win or Wolves to win. So here you can see that Man City did win the match and our market did work here. We view on the next match, September 30, 2023. You can see that our market did work again because here you can see that Wolves won the match 2-1 when their market did work. Says that that's why it is working. But let's not be fast. Let's check the next match on May 4th, 2024. We can see that our market did work again because Man City did win the match 5-1 and our market did work, guys. This is why it is working 3-2. So checking the next match, October 20, 2024, we can see that our market did work again because Man City did win the match and our market did work, guys. This market has been working 4 times in a row. Let's see the next match, May 2 and May 2nd, 2025. You can see that our market did work again. Our market did work again, guys. Because you can see here, Man City did win the match. Did score 1-0. So guys, as you are analyzing, you can see that our market did work 5 times in a row. Our market did work 5 times in a row. So that also shows us that you have a high chance of winning our bet if you take this kind of market. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.